Thursday Thrift Flip is an open invite hosted by the Rusted Willow and Rustic Chicks Designs. The co-host is Oakwell Home. These beautiful women are awesome crafters and have great channels. Make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. It means a lot to them. The links to their channels is in the description box below. Other amazing crafters are in the playlist. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. Be sure to show them some love for all their hard work. So let's jump into the first easy DIY thrift flip. Designers are currently saying that having a lamp in the kitchen is a new trend. So let's see what I can DIY. The supplies needed include a glass hurricane, white flat paint, painter's tape, puck light, and another DIY that I did some time ago that was a glass globe that I found at Free Fridays. This project is so easy and quick. Your kitchen can be lighted with style. All you need is a puck light inserted inside a glass hurricane and a glass globe put on top. The glass globe was thrifted several months ago and was used as a base. You can check out that video. Turn on the light and you have ambient mood in a flash. It looks so good in the corner of the counter with a floral. Flip number 2, a picture frame and a bowl. So I'm including these two together instead of separate because they're so easy. The supplies needed include a thrifted picture frame, modern art picture, some white acrylic chalk paint, a glass boob light, plastic bags, moss and moss rocks. This is another cheap and easy DIY that almost costs nothing. I had taken the boob light and changed it out with a more modern light fixture. The old light cover was around and I thought this would make a nice bowl for just about anything. I will use it from time to time just to show how it can be styled. So let's see what we can do this time. I cleaned it, scrunched up a couple of plastic bags, and put them inside the bowl. Then I put some loose moss over the bags to cover up the white plastic bags and began arranging the moss rocks around the bowl. I paired it with the picture frame and it looks fantastic for just pennies. Next, let's take a look at the picture frame. The picture frame was thrifted from Free Fridays, so it cost nothing. Then I found an old book from Tuesday mornings and noticed a modern art picture that fit perfectly into the frame, well, with a little alteration. I touched up the frame with white chalk paint and set it next to the bowl with moss. This frame and bowl may be used repeatedly and styled in 100 different ways. So let me know what you would do with your boob light. Flip number 3, a thrifted metal tray. This long oval metal tray was thrifted and cost about $1.25. It was brown and lacked pizzazz. My inspiration came from something I saw on Wayfair or one of the other high-end sites. The supplies needed include white matte spray paint, bright gold spray paint, rub and buff gold leaf, and one long oval metal tray. I painted the tray with bright gold spray paint on the back side and the matte white spray paint on the front. Now, originally I forgot and I sprayed the front gold, but then that gave it just a nice base for me to spray the white matte on the front. Then I took some gold leaf rub and buff and put it on the edges of the tray. And And that is it. It is so simple. I styled it in two ways. One, by putting a mat on an ottoman and placing the tray on top of the mat. Then I took some round objects that I had obtained from, I think it was Pier 1 several years ago, before they closed. I also placed a rope of beads that I made out of eyeballs, and that was some time ago. I think it was during the month of February, in fact. Next, I styled it by placing several tea light holders of various styles across the tray. It looks so good, especially when all of the tea lights are lighted. Well, Z9 Designs family, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed some of the out-of-the-box DIYs and try them and let me see what you flip. I truly enjoy your comments and hope that you are doing well. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. And remember, when you put love out in the world, it travels and it can touch people and reach people in ways that we never even expected. Have a good day. Bye-bye.